Alright guys, so it's finally arrived. I have my Lumen Top GT Mini, so I'm just about to open it up. The box is in fine shape with all the extra padding. Alright, let's check it out. It's a nice box. Okay. I cannot wait to test this out. Oh boy, look at that. Alrighty, purple lanyard, and let's see if there is any O-rings, because everyone always gives O-rings. Nope. Okay, well that looks nice enough, but finally, time to take out, oh that's cool, GT Mini on one side, Lumen Top on the other. Alright. Take it out, take the cap off the battery that I bought. Thank you, Mad Max. Alright, let's throw this in. Oh, actually, let's take a look at this real quick. It's doubled up, so try to maximize the power. I guess this is 1200 lumens, by the way. So let's turn it on and see if it works. Hopefully it works. I waited 3 weeks for this. Totally worth it. Okay, turned on. You get that nice green light on the side switch. Pressing it. Alright, it turned on. It turned on, everyone. So low. Oh, I guess maybe hold it to turn it up. Oh wow, that's bright. That's really bright. Alright, I'll be doing a nighttime video fairly soon because I really want to try this out. Thanks guys. Alright guys, and for the sake of being complete, I didn't go all the way down the box, so let me just show you. You do get the O-rings. They were just at the bottom. And besides that, let's check out the manual just in case anyone has any interest in that. I think I'll be keeping it on smooth ramping. Alright, cool. Thanks, guys.